feelings rising up in my chest, and night never brings me no rest. Oh, my throat's too sore to scream. Can't nobody wake me up from this dream. If the floodwaters don't recede, well, I swear they're gonna bury me. In over my head, in over my head. Been locked up, knocked down, pushed around, scared as hell. I might be till I'm dead. In over my head, in over my head. I can't breathe, can't see how I'm ever gonna leave it. This hell that I'm living in. In over my head, in over my head.
A friendship that blooms into love. That is our story.
It's the evening light shining through the curtains, the time before the night when everything is golden. You're sitting on the chair, wrapped inside.
We affirm our love for each other in front of God, our families and friends. Love, right at this moment, we will build our lives together with a love that will grow each passing day. I promise to make you happy, to make you laugh, and to always be there for you. I promise to listen to you, to trust you, and to love you with faithfulness. I promise to put you before in all things and take care of you. I love you and always will be.
Live inside. The sun is going down. Your skin is like a painting. Light is perfect now. I can feel it changing. Kids are probably soon. Don't get me wrong, I'm ready. Well, I know what to do when we're no longer two. When us means more than me and you. Oh, if I
This is the day that I prayed for. I promise to you that I will be a faithful husband and a good father to our future kids. I promise to give the best of me and to love you more and more each day. I promise to be with you through good and bad times and to be more patient and
take
understanding.
a photograph, live inside.
I thank God that He led me into a woman like you, a woman who changed me a lot into a better person. I learned how to be patient, understanding, and above all, to love unconditionally.
I need some way to prove that this was real. A memory is not enough. Let me stay right here just a moment longer. The picture is so clear. Please let this last forever. There's no words to show you how. No song that's come put you before me till the end of time. But until then, till my last breath rolls in, oh, I am yours, you are mine. My heart beats for you alone. Now house can hold the love that we own. Every time you fall from grace to your knees, I'll wait patiently for you. Oh, I will forever and always put you before me till the end of time. But until then, till my last breath rolls in, oh, I am yours, and you are mine. Someday we'll see what forever means. My love. Someday we'll see what forever means. My love. Someday we'll see what forever means.
Mao ug naamoy anak
Someday we'll see
tubos na mauray akong gikuan tubangan na nakasala mo isa man sa naay ato ang unang inunana dyan ang magtugutan na ato tayo
put you
daanan ko
before
kuan na dyan sa Ginoo hapit ra ka dili ka magpataas atong kuan, atong garbo kung sama atong giginin atong gikanan. Kung nadyapon kan karon walay dili ka magpataas sa atong garbo kay tao raman ta. Gusto na ko ngay manibalat ng mga tao katawar ta dito mag-usok sa ato ang batasan. Isa man na namin padagano na namong balay, tapos Malvin padagano silang balay. Ay, paganak gayon mo magkalas kami. Kaya tao, ang balta ng balay kadako ang may maglagan-lagan, magkamang-kamang na salamat, mga po natong tanan.
Thank you so much. It is a roller coaster of emotions. So, Nick and Malva, twins. Patay. Pressure. The groom's cousin, my cousin as well, Mr. Franz Dropat Silva. Yawa sa kagaw. Kuya, relax ako.
If you just witness, no, but as time goes by, when Abby and also I'm so proud of the track that and the career of Malvin as well. So I would like to thank both families for making everything making this event and decide to do that.
Thank you so much, Cousin April May Aguilar. And the letter request na sa inyo, yung kapag ha, wala kang kamot mo.
Ni sa usa-usa. Gani, wala ko nakabatsyag nga kuhan na. May dream na ang magtiayon wala din nagkasumpati. Gani, naman ganin hanta mo, tago na pinaagi sa kamatayon. Diba? Mao na siya. So, matod pa ning magpaglinto ganina, ako ng kumpare, the faith, honesty is the peace policy. Nainomdom ko anang mamanangkin sa unang akong maestra. Number 1 is keep Christ at the center. Dili na nako ni dinisay pa kay no itang tanan kasabot ang ito. This for the good of his other and the preparation sa inyong mga anak. Preparation.
The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. And I'll await the time when I look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say, you're bringing heaven down to earth. A symphony in every word. You're bringing heaven down to earth. Bringing me everything. Bringing me You're bringing heaven down to earth. You're bringing me everything. You're bringing me
I promise to be with you through good and bad times and to be more patient and understanding. My love, starting today, you are now home.
Toast! Kiss again! Malvin,